Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Is my mic on? I always do this. Okay, yes, it's on. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys everything I purchased from Sephora while they were having their VIB spring sale. I didn't get that much makeup, which I'm actually really surprised about. I honestly don't need any more eyeshadow palettes. I have a ton in my drawers. This time I tried to stick with like hair care and skincare, things like that. So if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also hit that like button as well. It really does help me out. All right, let's jump right into this haul. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I purchased the Moroccan Oil Treatment, and this is for all hair types. This is alcohol-free, and this comes in 3 different sizes. So I did pick up the medium size. And this is a unique formula, rich in antioxidant that instantly absorbs into hair to immediately enhance manageability, shine, and deliver long-term conditioning without leaving residue. I wanted something that was going to tame my frizz and just give me nice silky looking hair. The oil that I normally use is the BioSilk, but I have completely run out. So I decided to try something different, and this smells so delicious. I love it. And I used it today. And I love the way it has left my hair. So this is the bottle. It is pretty small, but I mean, you just need like the tiniest bit, like a dime size. And I just applied it to my hair while it was damp. And then I just blow dried my hair and flat ironed it. And this is how it left my hair. And it smells so good. Did I say that already? And I feel like it tamed my frizz quite a bit. I tend to have like such frizzy hair. I don't know why. It's so annoying. I kind of spilt some and got some on the bottle. So the bottle's all oily now, but yeah, I really like this. I mean, I've only used it once, but I love the way it left my hair, and it just smells amazing. When you go on Sephora and read the reviews, everyone talks about the scent, and it really does smell really nice. So I really do like this so far. I've only used it once, but glad I purchased this. So I've never tried the Olaplex brand, and so I thought I would pick up the number 6 Bond Smoother. This is so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I was very surprised when I saw the size of it, but I did go and read the reviews, and everyone was saying that you just need a tiny bit and how this lasts you a really long time. One girl said she had it for like 2 years and she had thick hair. So I'm hoping it's going to last me a while because I do have a lot of hair, but I think I can just alternate and use this when I'm not using this. So this is the number 6 Bond Smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream, and it eliminates frizz, nourishes, and protects your hair. What else does it say? It says it strengthens, nourishes, and moisturizes, reinforces, speeds up blow dry time while smoothing, eliminates frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. Yes, that's what I was looking for. I'm just looking for something that's going to eliminate my frizz or like flyaways. Sometimes I find like my hair is staticky. I think it's because I live in Northern Ontario, so it's still kind of chilly up here. Like I'm wearing a sweater. Plus we still have the heat going. So yeah, I don't even know if I should have got this because this left my hair really nice today. So I'm very impressed with this. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna return it, and I can't wait to try it. I did open it because I wanted to smell it. But yes, can't wait to try this. And I picked up the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I've never tried this before, and I picked up the shade Café con Leche, which is light 2.6. I have no idea if this is going to be the correct shade. Let me just open it up. Might match me. So that's the shade right there. Everyone was saying how this works really nicely and how it's very creamy and hydrating. I did purchase a concealer that's supposed to be very hydrating. It was from the Body Shop and I hate it. I do not like it at all. I feel like it didn't conceal my under eye circles very well, and it just didn't dry completely. I almost felt like it just always remained tacky. So I was not a fan of that one. So I went ahead and purchased this again because everyone was just saying how amazing it is for your under eyes. And I have a lot of fine lines underneath my eyes. Yeah, I always am looking for something that's just going to hydrate my under eyes and not accentuate my little fine lines under my eyes. So I can't wait to try it out. So something else I've never tried before is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder, but I got the shade, what shade is this? Honey. Now I have tried the original translucent powder by Laura Mercier and I did like it, but I felt like it was a little bit too light for my under eyes, so I just didn't purchase it anymore. It does look very yellow, so I'm hoping that it will work with my under eyes and it won't leave it looking yellow. I did watch some YouTube videos and a lot of girls with my complexion, like that olive complexion or like Latinas, they raved about this translucent powder and they were saying get the honey one, it's amazing. When they applied it, it looked flawless. It looks so beautiful. I got the mini one just because I wasn't sure how it was going to look on me and I didn't want to splurge on the larger one. So I also picked up the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. I got the full size duo. They used to have the jumbo set and they don't have it anymore, so they just had this one. This is such a great deal. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. It's just, it beats all of them. It's so good. It makes your makeup just look really nice. If your makeup needs to be touched up during the day, you just spritz this on and your makeup just looks amazing again. I definitely recommend the All-Nighter spray if you haven't tried this before. And if the duo is still available, you should definitely get it because one of these I believe is like $40, and the duo, I'll leave all the prices here, but I believe it was around $50 for both of them, 55 plus, you know, the 20% off. I definitely think you should pick it up if it is still available. All right, so next up is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I picked up two. One of them is for my mom. So this cream, I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about this on my channel over and over again, and I'm sure you're probably sick of hearing about it, but I'm telling you, this cream is so good. It has completely transformed my skin. My skin no longer is dry, irritated. It just is so moisturized, hydrated, plump. Like my skin looks so good. And I am so in love with this moisturizer. That's why I got my mom one, because I know she's gonna love it. And if you are suffering from dry skin, I definitely recommend this. I'm not gonna go on and on about it because I have so many times, but just know that this is amazing. It's really good. Trust me, it will just do wonders for your skin. So I wanted to share with you guys what I got from The Ordinary, even though The Ordinary stuff was not on sale, just because the price is already really good. I needed to get some stuff anyways, so I just decided to purchase some stuff from them. So I got another hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, and I got this from my mom. This is just a hydration support formula, and I have talked about this before. I'll leave a card up here if you want more info on it. But this as well has transformed my skin. My skin just looks way healthier. It's nice and hydrated, and I just love the way my skin looks and feels now. It feels so soft, and I love it. So another thing I picked up from The Ordinary is the Squalene Cleanser. This is a makeup remover, and I love this so much. I wish the larger version was available, but it's always sold out. So this is a balm cleanser, and it turns into a oil. You just massage it into your hands and apply it onto your face while it's dry, and you just massage it onto your face, and it takes off all of my makeup. and I do double cleanse with it, and I just feel like it leaves my face feeling super soft and clean, and it even removes my mascara. I really enjoy this. It's really nice, and I definitely recommend it if you're into balm cleansers. I just feel like they do a really nice job removing your makeup. And then last but not least, I picked up the High Spreadability Fluid Primer. This is a lightweight surface smoother and primer. I'm wearing it today. You guys, this is beautiful. It was, I believe, $7.90. I have never had such smooth looking skin. Like, my foundation went on flawlessly, my bronzer went on flawlessly, my highlighter, like, it just glided super nicely, and it's supposed to like really blur out your face, and I feel like it really does. It supports makeup adherence, visible surface texture, and it also hydrates your skin. It does come with a dropper. It is pretty like thick, and I don't know how to explain it, but it's like very like jelly like. It can be a little bit messy, so just be careful with it. Let me know if you guys want me to do a demo / review. Maybe I could do like one side using this and then the other side not using anything, and kind of seeing the difference. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. So I used my points to get a couple of things here, and I wanted to share those with you guys. And I wasn't lying when I say that I love the Ultra Repair Cream. I use my points to get a smaller size of it, just so that I always have it and I never run out. So I ended up getting just a small version of it. And then I also got the face cleanser. It's supposed to remove surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I never tried the cleanser before, so I'm curious to see how it works. And then I also used my points to get the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser. This is a body scrub with 10% AHA, and it's safe for sensitive skin. This has a lot of positive reviews online as well. So it just looks like this, and it's just supposed to exfoliate your legs. Sometimes I have like those little like bumps on my legs, or even sometimes like on the back of my arm. So I'm looking forward to using this and seeing how it works. And then another thing I got using my points is the makeup eraser. This is so small. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger, but it just is a small one. It's so cute, but it is pretty small. And I mean, it's perfect for my eyes. But basically this works by just adding water, and it's supposed to remove your makeup. So I can't wait to try that. And of course, this is available in a larger version. All right, you guys, so that's all I got from Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. I want to know what you guys think. Yeah, I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you are all staying safe out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much to those who take the time to watch my videos, leave comments, interact with my videos. I really do appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Love you. Bye.